Now here's the type of video I usually do, but may have heard that they recommend that you change your smoke alarm every 10 years. As you see to the left, it's a very old Family Gard smoke detector from the early 1990s. And to the right, it's a much newer Kidde carbon monoxide and smoke alarm, and you're about to see why. Alright, please stand by. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Okay, that is odd. So to say, if it works, it works. But apparently it's still very sensitive. Now you're about to see, I'm not going to push a test button, but rather use matches. God damn it. So let's test it again with matches. Meanwhile, oh damn it, is that thing even detect today? Today? Hello? Today? God damn it. Alright. Please stand by as we're having technical difficulties.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Alright, so it works. It's just a little sluggish compared to the other one. But yeah, that's pretty much the newer detector.